Alright, we're back, and one of the really cool things that I like about the Strikingly website designer, as you saw from the previous video, in addition to being super easy to use and super easy to edit your website without ever touching a line of code, it's also really easy if you want to change the entire look of your website to something new. That can be done really quickly. So I've been using this theme for a while, and I really like this theme. It's got a really clean layout. It looks fantastic on a mobile device. You can view your site and how it would look on a mobile device by going to the preview section of the website right here. And so you can look at this and it'll open up a site preview that looks like this, and then you can check out how it looks on a desktop and then on a tablet and then on a mobile view. So here's how the site's going to look on a desktop. And if you go up here and you switch this to a tablet, you can preview it and it'll show you the tablet size view. And this may taking just a second to load because we're recording the screen, so it's taking a little second to load. So this is if somebody were to view it on an iPad, and you can even scroll through it. So if you go to your website right here and you scroll down, at least I think you can scroll through the website and see different sections of the website. So you can make sure that your website looks good. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. All right, I'm scrolling with the mouse now. So you can scroll through the website and make sure that it still looks good on every device, no matter what section of the website and no matter what how you're looking at it. So that's on a tablet, and then you can look at it on a phone. So before you do anything, before you publish any changes, look how good this gallery looks on a phone. How cool is that? It automatically resizes the gallery to be perfect layout on a phone. So, and then here's where those share buttons come in on the phone as well. They've automatically congregated the bottom there. But so anyway, so this looks really good. Look how good the header design looks. It also gives you an option to have a mobile menu that you can click, and then like a click to call menu or text or directions or email, and then you're in the mobile view, your navigation is right here, so it pops out like that. All of this looks phenomenal. This is incredibly hard to do with other website types of builders, and so this looks automatically awesome on a mobile device. So that's one of the things you can do. But let's go ahead and we're going to exit this preview window here. And let's say I want to change the entire look of my website. You know, the theme, I want the theme to be different. I'm going to go under Styles, and then I'm going to go under Change Template right here. And then I'm going to pick out a totally new template. So they have all of these different templates. It says the current template is Light Deck, and you can go and change it to any one of these templates you want. Minimal is a cool one. If you want to preview one, just click on the preview link, and it'll apply that template to your existing site, so you can take a look at what it looks like before you decide to go with it. So this layout, a little bit different. The navigation's in the same spot, but it looks a little bit different. It's a little more neutral colors. The pictures aren't as big. I don't like this one as much, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a look at another one. So let's preview this one. This one's called Bright. So let's take a look at what Bright looks like with my website content. Now, in most website builders, when you do this, you have to redo your content for the new template in a lot of cases. With Strikingly, you don't have to do that. So all of my content automatically populates to each template that I'm going to preview. So let's say that I want to go ahead and use this one. I kind of like this template. I think it looks cool. Click the Switch to this template button, and then it's going to automatically go into your site with that template. And then we have now changed from something that looks like this, and we're going to change up the entire look of the site to something that still looks really good but looks a little bit different. So it's going to give me options here on header and background and different things that I can do. If I want to add text here and add an image here, I can do that. Now I'm going to scroll down and see what this looks like, and we're going to make this text a little bit larger. Let's see if we can make this normal. Oh, this is normal size. So they have a normal size here. Yeah, there we go. That looks a little bit smaller. Let's see what this text type is. Change the font pretty easily. Alright, we're going to look at this and see what the text type is. Alright. So for the time being, we'll leave this looking like this, even though I know it's not perfect, for the sake of getting this done quickly. One of the things I didn't like was that this extends down further than this, so I'm going to just change this box text to be equal with this one, and then we're done with that. So now these are all equal. Those look pretty good. So I'm liking the layout of this. I think it's pretty good and looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that one. So now you can change the colors of this to see what you think about different colors. So pink, I'm probably not going to like pink. Let's scroll up to the top and see what we like. Alright, so here are the different picture types or different picture colors. So you can look at pink, you can look at turquoise, you can look at red, and you can look at custom. Oh, custom's interesting. Alright, so let's do red. Let's see what red looks like. Red has red coloring in the background. Some of the primary text is red. That looks kind of cool. Maybe we'll roll with that. And then the button is red, so that's kind of neat. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'll scroll back up the top. I'm going to add an image right here. I'm going to upload an image. So you can edit this to your heart's content and find the look that you want. Go back. Let's see. I'm going to add a logo in here in the center because I want a logo. I don't have a logo on my current website, and I'd kind of like one. So see if we can find a good one here. And we're going to use this one. No. We'll use this one. See what that looks like. Alright, so we're going to need to drag that in. All you got to do is drag it here. Upload it. Nope. Not wanting to work for me here. Not want to cooperate like I'd like it to. So this can bring us back into Alright, so I tell you what, we're just going to go ahead and save and publish this site and see what it looks like, and then we can always come back in and make edits. So let's publish it now. We've saved the new template, and now it's going to change it, and we're going to see what it looks like. Cool thing about this is if you don't like it, you can always change it back. It's very easy to make these changes. Alright, so there we go. I personally, now that I'm looking at this, don't really like it. I'd like a much larger picture image right here. Not a huge fan of this text. So I think I'm going to stick with what I had previously. And so if I want to change it back, then even though I just published this, I'm going to go back in here. We're going to go to Styles, change template, and we're using bright, and I'm going to go back to light deck. So we're going to select that one, and then we're going to go ahead and switch to this template because I like this one a lot better. Switch to this template. Alright, and we are back with this template, and notice the color of my buttons has changed from green to red. So here was here's the red buttons. Here's the green button. The default on this template is this blue button. So you can always keep that if you want, or you can change it to something else. So the blue looks kind of cool. I kind of like the blue. So why don't we go ahead and we'll stick with that for right now. I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to click Publish. Publish now. And now you have changed the entire look of your website, and then of course I changed it back. But that makes strikingly a very attractive website builder because you can do these things very easily. So that's one of the reasons I love it. So check out the next video, and I'll show you another type of website builder that works even better for businesses.